Is your 2014 Infiniti Q50 key fob not working? Most issues stem from a dead battery. The Q50 uses an intelligent key system with a CR2025 lithium coin battery. First, pry open the fob with a small screwdriver, replace the battery, positive side up, and reassemble. If it's still not working, try this Relearn procedure. Sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, insert the key into the ignition, and cycle it from off to on without starting the engine, 5 to 6 times within 10 seconds, ending in off. Remove the key, then press any button on the fob. The system should relearn within 60 seconds. If these steps don't work, it's time to move on to the next section for more advanced solutions. If a new battery and the basic relearn procedure didn't work, you might have a more complex issue, like a BCM fault. Use an OBD2 scanner to perform a full key relearn. Dealerships can also do this for BCM faults. According to mechanics, key fob issues represent 5% of 2014 Q50 complaints. Remember, interference from metal objects can also cause problems. Statistics from 2024 show that battery depletion peaks in winter months. As keyless entry systems evolve, consider upgrading to aftermarket fobs or exploring smartphone-integrated keys. BCM repairs can cost $500 to $1,000, so consider extended warranties for electronics. Finally, remember to check for water damage from floods, which is a less common issue.